Hi guys! So today I'll be showing you my makeup routine and kung ano ba yung laman ng pouch ko. So I have here a makeup kit. It says don't let today be a waste of makeup. So I'm using for my eyeshadow I'm using Katy Doll. It's a Korean brand, so it's so nice. It has shimmer. It also has matte or something. And for my foundation, I'm using Maybelline New York. Also for my lashes. And for my foundation also, the BB cream. It's also Maybelline. My blush on is Bobby. I'm using Bobby. But I seldom use blush on. I frequently use lipstick and this one and the foundation because I don't do heavy makeup on my skin because right now I don't have any makeup as in super, so I'm so pangit, I think. Just kidding. So I keep my skin healthy with I'm using, of course, every day I'm drinking Myra E. It used to be 300 E, but I'm using 400, so that's vitamin E. So you will have that glow. Right now I don't have any makeup on, like seriously wala. What's missing in my makeup kit is the eyebrow. I don't have any what you call this? Basta pang eyebrow. Basta ganon. And I'm using also Garnier. Yes, Sakura White. And for my face, I also use this. I'm using face mask. It's every night. Okay. So, I'll show you how I do my makeup. Okay, of course, we'll start first with, it's kind of madilim. And just bear with me. We start off first with the foundation. I don't have any sponge or, yeah, so I'll be using just my fingers. My finger. So let's just dab it. Especially sa we'll be putting the foundation around our face, syempre. Forehead, bridge of the nose. I've watched this video of Salen Yousaf, and she told, she said that, when you're putting on makeup, you should focus on the T-zone. This is called the T-zone. You should make it lighter. But with my makeup, I don't have contour, just like what the Kardashians are using. I don't have contour and I don't know how to have the contour. So just dab it. Dab, is that the correct term? Okay, so after you have put on the foundation, of course you'll be putting on the liquid foundation, and then right now you'll be putting on the matte foundation just under your eye because I really have dark circles. Yeah. Okay. Just dab it on the face. Next, of course, we'll be having the eyelashes, the falsies. Yeah. So I'm also using the Maybelline New York lashes. So just have it there. Okay, after the lashes, we'll have the eyeshadow. I'll let you see the eyeshadow. It's made in Korea. It's Katie Doll. Wait, where's the... There. So, wait. Okay, so we have a lot of colors here to choose from. A lot of shades. Wait. It won't focus. Yeah. So today for this look, I'll be using this color, the white one, and this color. Okay, it should have the smoky eye effect, lighter and the dark one. So let's just have it like this. For the light color, you'll be putting it inner, the inner side of your eyelids. It's not focusing. Yan. Okay. There. And for the darker color, we'll put it on outer side or the crease, your crease. And, but usually I don't put on eyeshadow because it's really matrabaho. So there. And I don't know it. I don't appreciate it na if it's everyday look, I don't usually do I don't put on eyeshadow. There. Let's have it other side. Okay. And well, my trick to having a very supple skin is I always drink Myra E. It's really effective, and I always put on face mask. For my toner, I'm using Escanol. Yun, or any toner or cleanser will will do. Okay, right after the lighter color and then the dark one. Okay, just a trick, don't put on heavy makeup during the day. Put it at night if you're going to the club or something. Okay, I think that's... See, hindi siya masyado ma-appreciate. Okay, after the eyeshadow, I don't have my blusher kasi I forgot it. So, be also using my finger here. So it's just a little bit. And what the celebrities are doing right now is they are putting the blush on across the face to have that kunwari mestiza ka, tas kunwari it's natural looking, just like Andrea Brillantes. They are doing that. They are putting blush on here, the bridge of the nose, to make it yung parang across siya. This will lighten up. Wait. Yan. So, parang nakainom ka lang. Yan. For my eyebrows though, I don't use anything. And also kasi, makapal na yung kilay ko. So, I don't need makeup for that. Okay, so it's like that. And you just dab a little bit of foundation. It's a shame I didn't bring the blusher. Yan. There. So, after the last one, syempre lipstick. May pinagbago pa, parang wala naman. Parang wala naman. Okay. For my lipstick. Actually, magandang klaseng lipstick to because it's color sensation. Para siyang limited edition or something. The other day, I think that was last month or last month, I went to the Mega Mall and I want to buy the Gigi Hadid collection. Yung nakipag-collaborate siya sa Maybelline New York. It was sold out. Ang bilis. Sold out na agad. And it's also so expensive. I wanna have makeup like eyeshadows like Naked Me or just the naked, or basta ano siya, yung what the celebrities are using. But it's expensive. Okay. And so that's it. It's just simple. Am I missing something? Wala naman yata. So that's it. That's my makeup look. Actually, we're going to the mall later. It's just simple.